Let's create a turtle, draw a line, and display the line. Start by creating an instance of the class NCLab Turtle. The class name is case sensitive and you have to spell it correctly. To draw a line, write tina.go or forward or FD. The default grid interval is 10 units, so tina.go 40 will move Tina forward 4 squares. If you want to hide the turtle so that it doesn't display, you simply type tina.hide. And to show the line, tina.show. Let's step through this program. By default, Tina starts at the origin or 0, 0. And now we've drawn our line, hidden our turtle, and displayed the final results. We can start the line from any XY location by typing in the coordinates. Here are some examples. We can name the turtle any name, doesn't have to be Tina, with exceptions. We can't start the name with a number, we can't use symbols, and we can't use all caps. However, just about anything else will work. Use the Turtle app to practice creating a turtle, drawing a line, and displaying the line. To open the app, go to Creative Suite, Programming, Python Turtle. You can erase the sample code and start typing. Use the File menu to save your files and share them with your friends.